Good morning, class 6. We are again with chapter 4, that is materials of daily use. In this class, we will see some uses of jute. So students, open page number 48 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Now here you can see the heading uses of jute. Jute is known to have a wide range of uses. It is the second most important natural fiber after cotton. So, jute is useful for many things. After cotton, jute is the second major source of natural fibers. Now, you can see here some points of uses of jute. It is used to make cloth for wrapping bales of raw cotton. So here you have to underline bales means bundle for something. So we have seen in first point that jute is used to make cloth for wrapping bundles of raw cotton. What do you mean by raw? Underline this word. Raw means something immature. Now the second, it is used to make sacks and other wrapping materials. So here you have to underline sacks, which means, just a minute, which means bag. So jute is used to make bags and other wrapping materials. Do you know about the wrapping? Okay. Wrapping means any soft material which is used to cover something. So it is used to make bags and other soft materials. And these soft materials used to cover some other things. Now the third, it is woven into curtain, handbags, chair, covering, carpets and many other things. Now mind scrambler. First, unscramble each of the following to form a word or term. So for A, we can write, I have got a word ingot, but I am not sure that it is right. So students, if you get any other word which is related to this chapter for A, so you can tell me on comment or in your group. Now the B, for B, we can write polyester. So polyester I can write here. Polyester. Polyester is a synthetic fiber. So you can fill polyester in front of B. Just a minute. Spelling of polyester is Polyester. Y-E-S-T-E-R. Now for C. C is a very simple thing that you all know. Charkha. C-H-A-R-K-H-A. So you can write charkha for C. Is that clear? Now answer orally. You can listen answers of these 5 questions. Question number 1. Give 2 uses of cotton. So, what are 2 uses of cotton? Which are 2 uses of cotton? Cotton is used to make bags, bed sheets and clothes for summer. Now the second, what is ginning? Separation of fiber from seed is called ginning. Third, define spinning. Process of twisting cotton fibers to form yarn. Fourth, from which part of the plant is jute obtained? From the stem of jute plant. Now the fifth, in which type of soil does cotton grow best? So in black soil cotton grows best. Is that clear, students? Now about definitions. You have to do these definitions in your copy, but all of you have to write hard words before definitions. While explaining this chapter, all the words that I asked you to underline, you have to write them in your science copy as hard words. So first you have to write hard words, and after it you have to write definitions in your science copy. So that's all for today, class 6. In the next class we will do exercises of chapter 4. Thank you, class.